Hello and welcome friends to the cloud computing tutorials, and this is tutorial session number 5. In the previous tutorials we were discussing types of virtualization. So here I have brought something new for you, that is another type of virtualization, and this time I have brought desktop virtualization. So let us see what is desktop virtualization. This seems quite interesting because here the desktop is virtualized, not a physical machine. Your desktop environment is virtualized this time. So let us see how it works. So desktop virtualization, the desktop virtualization, what happens? See, this is the desktop of a user at your physical machine, at your laptop, and this screen of your desktop is stored at the server, at the data centers. And this plays an important role because copy of your desktop is remotely saved at the centralized server. So this brings you the benefit that you can receive, you can access your desktop from anywhere in the world. Like you can access your desktop at your laptop at any location, at computer systems, at the mobile devices, at any digital devices from anywhere in the world. So this time your desktop is virtualized, and this is possible just because of the server which provides several copies of this one desktop at any location, and this service is provided via internet. You access your desktop via internet at any remote login. So let me discuss some important points regarding desktop virtualization. So desktop virtualization is often called as client virtualization because it is used to separate computer desktop environment from the physical computer. Desktop virtualization is also considered as a type of client-server computing model because the virtualized desktop is stored on a centralized or a remote server. As you have seen in the diagram, this is the remote server, and this stores the copy of the version of your desktop and provides several copies at your location via internet, via services of networking. Okay, so it brings you the benefit. Not the physical machine is virtualized here, but your desktop is virtualized. So desktop virtualization virtualizes desktop computers, and these virtual desktop environments are served to users on the network. Here user can interact with the virtual desktop on any digital device from any location in the same way as you would interact with your physical desktop. So the most important benefit is that you can access your desktop from any location, from anywhere in the world, just you require an internet connection. So friend, this is all about desktop virtualization. I hope you are enjoying this session. So thank you so much for watching. To see all the previous series and the upcoming series of my tutorial, please kindly subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching.